Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of social media marketing and show you how to turn your online presence into a lucrative source of income. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of social media marketing, discussing various strategies, techniques, and methods that can help you earn big. Get ready to take notes as we guide you through real-life examples and demonstrations. 1. Understanding the basics of social media marketing. 1.1 Introduction to Social Media Marketing. Let's start with the basics. In this section, we'll define social media marketing, its significance in today's digital landscape, and the key platforms you need to know. We'll also explore the different types of social media content and discuss how to choose the right platforms for your target audience. 1.2 Building a strong social media presence. Your social media presence is the foundation of your marketing efforts. We'll guide you through the process of creating a compelling profile, optimizing your bios, selecting the right profile and cover photos, and crafting engaging content that resonates with your audience. 2. Developing an effective social media marketing strategy. 2.1 Identifying your target audience. A successful social media strategy begins with understanding your target audience. We'll show you how to conduct audience research, define buyer personas, and use analytics tools to gain valuable insights into your audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. 2.2 Content planning and creation. Engaging content is the heart of social media marketing. We'll teach you how to develop a content strategy, brainstorm ideas, create high-quality visuals, write captivating captions, and leverage different formats such as videos, images, stories, and live streams. 2.3 Engaging with your audience. Social media is all about building relationships. Discover the best practices for engaging with your audience, responding to comments and messages, running contests and giveaways, and leveraging user-generated content to foster a sense of community and brand loyalty. 3. Monetizing your social media presence. 3.1 Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has exploded in recent years, offering tremendous earning potential. We'll explore how influencers collaborate with brands, negotiate partnerships, and monetize their social media presence through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and brand collaborations. Invite a successful influencer to share their experiences and demonstrate how they monetize their social media presence. 3.2 Social media advertising. Social media platforms provide robust advertising capabilities to reach a wider audience. We'll walk you through setting up effective ad campaigns, targeting options, budgeting, and tracking key metrics to maximize your return on investment. 4. Leveraging advanced strategies for increased revenue. 4.1 Selling products and services. Social media platforms offer incredible opportunities to sell products and services directly to your audience. We'll discuss different e-commerce strategies, such as setting up online stores, utilizing shoppable posts, and leveraging social commerce features to drive sales. 4.2 Creating and selling online courses. Knowledge is in high demand, and you can capitalize on it by creating and selling online courses. We'll show you how to develop valuable course content, choose the right platforms, set competitive pricing, and market your courses effectively to generate substantial revenue. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our in-depth guide to social media marketing and monetization. By implementing the strategies we've discussed and staying consistent in your efforts, you can turn your social media presence into a powerful money-making machine. Remember, success in social media marketing requires dedication, creativity, and an understanding of